Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Other Vlogs and Tech. So today I am going to tell you about very interesting website where you can make everything animated. For example, you can make your mobile text animated. You can make your Twitter tweet animated. You can make your thumbnail. So guys, I am going to tell you about this website. This best website ever. You all loved this website. Who will make tweets, Instagram reels, Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, uh, your WhatsApp chats, what everything. So this website is jitter.video. This website works on your laptop. You can edit, you can make everything on PC. So here you can example templates. I am going to here you can check this out, or you can also edit these things and you can download this. So here the first template is about your tweet. So I am going to open this. Here you can check this out. Edit on desktop. Sorry for that, I cannot edit this. Here you can, I am moving this. Here you can check this. Yes, access jitter on a computer to edit this animation. This will work on your desktop if you have. Here is all process. So hello guys, here you can check that. Here you can check if you want to add something on your computer, then you will add your animation too. So here you can check that. Yeah, here this is animation applied to effect or background color duration, new animation. You can also add new animation, and then you can also export this animation design whatever you want. Yeah, this is export option, and I will tell you further about this. Here you can the product of the week, or you want to click on your text messages. So this is the screen. Text. So you, if you want to add text, click this one. Here are animations, ellipse, bubble. Here you can check that. Here you can check. Here you can check animation on your own. This is best website, and we have lot of options. These are, I am showing you text messages, phone notifications, app list, revenue. I will tell you on your my mobile web screen. Wait for it. So here you can check the out every single thing. Revenue app. Here you can also edit your revenue on your own animation app list. Banking app, story in phone, lines movement right stripes. Here you can check all animations. If you want to create your own website, you can also add the stars animation. Here you can check profile live, profile news story, Instagram like, subscribe. If you are a YouTuber, then you can also add this button, App Store Black. Here you can check this out. You can also add everything in your animation, in your video animation notification. Social handle. So here are a lot of options you can use. Then this is best website, you can get it on free. You don't need to pay. Here you can a lot of things, a lot. What's new? If we can check this out, collaborate with your team. Dark mode, auto layout, and more. Negative space and reverse order of children layers. Individual paddings, stroke included. Other improvement. We fix a bug where some soft line breaks were not exported correctly. So these are corrections. So here we can also check pro option pricing. Oh, only $4 monthly. This is pro version. You can only just have to pay $4. This is best where you can get more options. See here we also have video tutorial. If we don't know anything, want to know, here we can also add our accounts, special information, or also delete our accounts. So that's all from today. If you like this video, please make sure like this video. We also give you another tour of this best website. These are templates, best templates for your social animation. You can make social animation videos, sites, pics, your Instagram reels, Instagram posts, your text animation. So this is best website ever. If you like this video, please make sure like this video, share this video, and also comment, and at last subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.